Just trash picked this. It's a Casio CTK-2100 keyboard. And I think this is the microphone stand that was in that other box. Somebody will want that. Somebody will definitely want that. Even if I put it on Marketplace for 20 bucks. Well, let's see if the cable's still in there. Nine volts. What? CDs and stuff. I realized it was easier to pack it all if I actually got the Proline microphone stand out of the trash and put it in there. And the lady that threw it in came over and she was like, "Oh, it doesn't have the power cord." Well, that's okay. I'll find one. But now I won't go looking for the power cord. That's why she threw it away. Easy, easy. Hello, everyone. So I found a Casio CTK-2100 new in box, and it doesn't come with a power adapter. And it doesn't work off batteries. But if I put a 5mm barrel jack in the power input and hook those same batteries to it, it works. And then looking it up online, this model has a whole bunch of people asking on forums about this, and everybody's always misunderstanding. Like this person was asking kind of like in a broken English fashion, asking why it doesn't work anymore. And the person misunderstood and thought that it recharged with batteries, and they were just telling them that it takes batteries. So it's like, well, no, there's something going on here. Everybody trying to answer questions online has totally missed this, because everybody says either they fully misunderstand or they kind of misunderstand. They just assume it's a simple fix, like, oh, clean the contacts on the battery. But we have 9 volts coming in here, and it does not pick up any of the signal. It doesn't use any of that power. But if I take these wires and just solder them right here, it works. So this has like a complicated timeout feature where if you don't use it in 6 minutes, it turns off. Then it also has some other things just for the batteries. And to be honest, I don't want to reverse engineer this circuit. So this apparently has a problem. So this is what all these people are asking questions about. But then every nerd on the internet that tries to answer it is just intentionally misunderstanding that, yes, there is an issue. There is an issue. So I got my soldering iron heating up, and I'm just going to move these wires over to here, and then I'm going to print out a label on it saying that this has been modified, that using the power adapter will charge the batteries, but don't use it very long with batteries in it. Okay, now move this over. And this is a modified unit now. See, it works now. Okay.
Yo, hey. Yo, yo, hey. Yo, hey.
What? Let's see. It should just do 45, right?
Yo, 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 hey. Yo, 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 hey.
Okay. 401. You know what? We're getting into me trying to figure out how to actually... Oh, you know what? 045. That would be... Fitting! There's fucking church bells. Ah! I'm not great at music, but I'm great at electronics, it seems. So, yeah. So now I'm going to make the label for it, because this seems to be a common problem with these. Okay. This keyboard has been modified to use rechargeable batteries. Remove batteries for prolonged wall outlet use. So the idea is you could have it charge automatically, but just don't leave it plugged in longer than a half hour. Although I'll be hooking up those purple batteries, I'll be putting those in there, so it's not really gonna be a big deal. Those could sit at 9 volts for a long time and not have an issue. I removed the EBL lithium batteries and put in my little nickel metal hydride cells that I got years and years ago. Let's see if these even work. Ooh, they have like no power. Well, somebody called me. They went and ran to the shop. They bought the Casio keyboard. We had a great time chatting. And yeah, her son's gonna learn how to play piano on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep this in mind for a way to modify and save these Casio keyboards. That it turns out there's an issue with the battery circuit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.